So sick.
Nice. Well fought.
I don't think these guys understand what's about to
I will
happen.
wake them up and win war.
You think human probably doesn't have any tech, right?
No, he's nothing. Absolutely. He has like 6 peasants when I.
Yeah, so I guess the sword press is
Careful,
just
careful,
killing.
Panda.
Yeah, I'm paying attention. Don't worry.
Okay. I will come to you. Orc has gone
It's
full
all good. I
retreat.
got casters now, so
Oh, okay. Easy.
I guess TP. You go for the
Can do
fountain,
Yes.
and I will open the gates of
And
the
I will
unlimited
harass
health.
with blade. Yeah, I need your help though.
Okay.
Quite pressingly.
I'm gonna blaze in the middle of the crypts. Move you kinda a little bit left. Yeah.
I got it, I got it. He went mass tower.
Okay, so he finally and eventually teched.
Okay, I was worried someone else took it, but you got it.
I click really
Yeah,
fast.
clicked me.
Alright. Let's open the gates. Oh, Blizzard doesn't work on these rocks.
No, you found that out last time.
God damn it.
Still doesn't work.
They just did their fountain.
I am not going walkers yet. Just getting armor upgrades. We don't know anything about Orc. Any chance for militia?
Yeah, I'm sending one right now. And like, if I don't see anything there, I will scan their
Okay.
base down there. Okay, there we go.
The shops are kind of important.
They are not at it. I don't know why. They just scanned us? Oh, I think they did this. And they got the crystal ball from it. Because there is no way human would have to scan this early.
Yeah, true. And he went retraining.
Okay.
They're kind of ready to attack me. They're coming for me.
Okay.
He has Blizzard now.
I will rejoin. You open the gate, right? Yeah, okay. Perfect. If I see they are too eager to get a fight, maybe I don't even
I
expand.
still Heward.
Okay, I'm on my way. Is that both of them?
Yeah.
They don't have shit.
Yeah, it's in the restroom. I mean in the bathroom.
Okay. Orc is there.
Are you expanding? Yeah.
Yeah. No, not yet. I'm gonna long distance mine first. I wanna make
Okay.
sure we don't lose a fight like when I'm expanding.
You have Dispel?
Yeah. And like his lava spoons are gonna expire as well. They are gonna sit at the fountain, I guess.
Yeah, so back
But he's
on.
alone though. No. The human has nothing!
No. Yeah, he has nothing. Not too weird, I guess. Do we go actually?
What do you think?
Probably. How about catching reinforcements from the Orc is better.
Okay. Let's do it. And I mean, right now I'm gonna expand then now for sure. Oh, that's a great catch. You should have been a football player. Oh shit, they cut yours. Okay, never mind.
I have Heward. They're not killing the Heward that fast. GG. Nice. Nice.
BG.